Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring the 5 love languages by Gary Chapman, a life-changing guide to understanding how people give and receive love. Whether it's in a romantic relationship, with family, or among friends, this book teaches us how to communicate love in ways that truly connect. Gary Chapman identifies 5 unique love languages: words of affirmation, acts of service, receiving gifts, quality time, and physical touch. Each of us has a primary love language, and understanding it is the key to stronger, happier relationships. Let's explore these love languages and how to apply them. Lesson 1. Words of affirmation. The first love language is words of affirmation. For some people, hearing kind, encouraging, and supportive words is the most powerful way to feel loved. Compliments, appreciation, and verbal encouragement can light up their world. Think of words of affirmation like watering a plant. Every kind word is a drop of water that helps the relationship grow stronger and healthier. Lesson 2. Acts of service. Next, we have acts of service. For people with this love language, actions speak louder than words. Doing things like cooking a meal, helping with chores, or running errands shows them you care. Imagine acts of service like building a bridge. Each helpful action adds a plank, strengthening the connection and showing that you're there for them. Lesson 3. Receiving gifts. The third love language is receiving gifts. For some, the thought and effort behind a gift are what make them feel loved. It's not about the price tag, it's about the meaning and intention. Think of gifts like symbols of love. They're tangible reminders that say, "I was thinking of you," and can strengthen the bond in meaningful ways. Lesson 4. Quality time. Quality time is the fourth love language. It's all about giving someone your undivided attention. For these individuals, being present and engaged, whether through deep conversations or shared activities, means the world. Imagine quality time like charging a phone. Every moment spent together fills the battery of your relationship, keeping it strong and energized. Lesson 5. Physical touch. The final love language is physical touch. For some, hugs, hand-holding, or a reassuring pat on the back are the deepest expressions of love. Touch creates a sense of closeness and comfort. Think of physical touch like lighting a fire. Each touch adds warmth and reassurance, helping the relationship glow brighter with intimacy and trust. Lesson 6. Identify your love language. Chapman emphasizes the importance of knowing your own love language and your partner's. Start by reflecting on how you express love and what makes you feel most appreciated. Think of love languages like keys. When you know which key fits your partner's heart, you unlock deeper connection and understanding. Lesson 7. Speak your partner's language. Understanding love languages isn't enough. You have to actively speak your partner's language. Even if words of affirmation are your love language, your partner might value quality time more. Adjusting your approach strengthens the bond. Think of speaking a love language like learning a new dialect. It may take effort, but the connection it creates is worth every word or action. Lesson 8. Love languages for families and friends. While Chapman focuses on romantic relationships, love languages apply to family and friends too. Whether it's spending quality time with a child or giving a thoughtful gift to a friend, these principles enhance all connections. Imagine love languages like musical notes. When played across all your relationships, they create a beautiful harmony of understanding and affection. Lesson 9. Love takes effort. Chapman reminds us that love isn't automatic. It takes effort, consistency, and intentionality. Speaking someone's love language regularly shows them they matter. Think of love like tending a garden. It needs regular care, attention, and the right nourishment to flourish. Lesson 10. Love is a choice. Finally, Chapman teaches that love is a choice. It's not just a feeling, it's a commitment to understanding, supporting, and growing with the people you care about. Imagine love like building a house. Each action, each choice, is a brick that strengthens the foundation and creates a space of trust and connection. The 5 Love Languages by Gary Chapman offers a simple yet profound roadmap to better relationships. From words of affirmation to acts of service, these love languages help us connect deeply, appreciate fully, and love more effectively. If you're ready to speak the love languages and transform your relationships, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more lessons from life-changing books. See you next time.